Hey folks, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a mango lemonade, right? So let's get straight into it. I have 2 lemons here. I'm going to use 1.5 organic juice of 1.5 lemons, right? And I have 2 mangoes. They're not that large, so I'm going to use 2 mangoes. If the mango was a little bigger, I would have just used 1 mango. And they are very ripe, as you can see here. And as soon as I went to the grocery store, I just got the aroma of the ripe mangoes that I had to get some, right? And these are from Santo Domingo, but I wasn't able to get the name of the mango. Anyway, they're really good. And we need some sugar to taste. And also I'm going to use about 3 cups of water. So let me go. I'm going to peel the mango. I'm going to show you how I peel the mango and cut it up into smaller pieces. So here's the mango. I'll just have a sharp knife and just peel it like this. You can see how ripe this mango is. You see all that bright orange, yellow sort of color. That's to tell you how ripe the mango is. And you can imagine how sweet it is. Very easy to peel. Next, I'm just going to cut the flesh off of the seed like that. Simple, nothing fancy. Whatever is left behind, I'm going to suck off this seed, the best part. So I'm going to do the same thing with the other mango. Okay, so I transferred the sliced up mango into this little jar here. I got this jar when I bought my hand blender. So I'm going to blend this sliced mango with the hand blender. Okay, so here's my mango puree. While I was blending, I just added a bit of water to make sure that all the pieces of mango totally blended up together. I'll leave a link for the hand blender, one like that, in the description box below, and also I'll leave a link for my Amazon store so you can check out and see what I have in my store and maybe do some shopping. So next I'm going to add the lime juice. This came up to about 1/4 cup of the lime juice. Sorry, not lime, lemon juice. I'm going to add a few drops of Angostura bitters, about 3 drops. Okay, and then I'm going to add the water. This is a total of 2 cups of water. Like I said before, I added some water while I was blending the mango. So the balance that I added here totaled up to 2 cups of water. Just mix everything together like this. And what I'm going to do first, since the mango is so sweet, I'm going to taste it first before adding any sugar. And if I do add sugar, I'll let you know how much I added. Okay, so here we go again. We definitely need to add some sugar. So I have about 3/4 cups of sugar. I'm going to add in that. Now some people I see with the recipe, as you can see here, the lemonade is a bit thick because of the mango, and some people they will strain it, but to me I want to get all the pulp and everything from the mango. I'm not going to waste anything, so I'm not going to strain anything. That's why too I also try my best to make sure the sliced mango is totally completely pureed. Okay folks, so my mango lemonade is all done. I didn't add all the sugar. I added about 1/2 cup of the sugar, but it's all up to you. Just add sugar to your taste. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.